In this video, I'm going to share how to purchase and add a domain to your Squarespace website. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I want to show you just how easy it is to get a domain name for your Squarespace website. So let's say you've been building your own website on Squarespace and now you're ready for a domain name. Now, if you plan on purchasing annual hosting from Squarespace, you can do that and you can get your domain name free for the first year. Or if you want to just maybe do monthly payments for hosting, or maybe you're not ready to commit yet to a Squarespace plan, but you want to go ahead and get the domain just so nobody else grabs it first, let me show you how to do that. When you're in Squarespace, I'm here in my scribe template for authors. You can click the settings icon on the bottom left, which is this little cog icon. And then on the left-hand side, you can choose domains and email and then click through to domains. Now, there is a shortcut. So this is one that I use a lot because Squarespace likes to move the menu items around. So instead of searching for it, if you hit the / key on your keyboard once you're logged into your site like this, and you start typing in domains, you can go straight to that domains panel. And I'm going to click Get a Domain. And based on my site title, Squarespace is going to show me what domains there are. Now, if one of these does not appeal to you, you can put in a new domain to search for. So I'm going to type in Bela Pup. My dog's name is Bela. Maybe I want to create a website for her. And you can see here we've got belapup.com, .net, .org, lots of options. And because I am just doing this as an experiment for you, I'm going to choose the cheapest one, which is belapup.online, $4 a year. I'm going to add that to my cart and check out. So here I'm going to change this to be 1 year because I don't think we're going to be using belapup.online after this. And I really want to be all in at $4. So you can see it's going to renew automatically at $20 annually. So I'm just going to need to go in and remember to turn off renewal for this domain. And I'll show you where to do that just in case you're interested. But first, let's purchase this domain. Okay, so I went through 2 screens without you there. One was registration info. It wanted to know my address. Another was my billing address. So I took care of all that. Here, I'm going to enter in my credit card information and then hit save and continue. And then I went through a screen to review my information and confirmed my payment. So that was it. I can now launch my website if I want to choose a subscription plan, or I'm happy with just the domain. I'm going to click done. And you can see here it already added my domain to my website that I'm working on. So it's that simple. That's all you have to do. Now, I told you I'd show you how to disable renewal if you want to do that. So we're going to click these 3 dots beside our domain name, go into manage domain. It's going to pop us into a new window. There's a lot of information here. You can update your registration information if you need to, but I'm here to turn off my auto renew. And that's done. That's all I need to do. Simple as that. Now I have a domain name. I turned off auto renew. I'm going to get an email asking me if I want to renew anyway. So if you are kind of a domain hoarder like I am, it's probably a good idea to turn off auto renew and actually think to yourself, do I still need that domain next year? Let me know in the comments, what is the most interesting domain name you own? Mine is You Sleep I Watch, which is from Project Hail Mary. I read the book a few years ago and grabbed that domain. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, y'all, but it's fun. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. I wish you all the best with your website.